Hey all of you, welcome to Coin Masters. This is Anudeep and we are back with another video. And today we have Amrita who is from CSE department and has been placed in Accenture as an associate software engineer with a package of 4.5 LPA. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Hi Amrita, how are you?
Hello, sir. I'm doing good.
So,
So,
yeah, Amrita, first of all, we would like to congratulate you for getting placed in such a good company. And we at Coin Masters are really happy and proud of you.
thank you so much, sir. This wouldn't have been possible without the training from Quant Masters.
Thank you, thank you. And this video is actually made to help all those students who are preparing for Accenture right now and looking out for information. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
I want you to explain everything in detail about the whole interview process, right from the first round till the last round. Are you ready?
Definitely, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So tell me, when was your first round and what was it about?
So, our first round was conducted in October. So, October 13th. So, what had happened is Accenture, the company had came to our college for placements. And first, they had sent all the mail
It was an
and
on-campus interview.
yeah, it was an on-campus interview, and the main thing that is needed for attending the Accenture placement is PAN card. So it is very mandatory. So they had informed us about a month in prior to prepare PAN card. For that, all the necessary things were done. Then they had sent a link for system checking. In that, they had also put in practice questions, possible questions like which type of questions will come for the main exam. So that was that, and after that we had the main exam on 13th of February. So it was mainly, yeah, 13th of February. So it was mainly the first round had two parts. One is cognitive and technical, and the second one was coding. So in cognitive, we had like cognitive plus technical, we had 90 questions for 90 minutes. So
Cognitive and technical had 90 questions.
yeah,
So
both
timing,
combined.
both combined. Timings?
Yeah, 90 minutes.
Okay.
Uh, so for 90 questions. So the questions were comparatively easy, somewhere between easy and medium, and was almost all the same questions, like and the same format that Himanshu sir and Shashank sir had taught. So it was
Okay.
almost fairly simple for us to attend.
Okay. Tell me something more about this section, cognitive and technical. What kind of questions were there? How many
Uh,
questions were there from particular topic like that?
Okay, so cognitive was had three portions. So first one was verbal, next was logical, and then was numerical. So verbal, we had about 15 to 20 questions. So it was very easy. It was like about articles, sentence correction, rearranging the sentence, passive voice, active voice, then all these. And numericals also was very simple. It was somewhere between easy and medium. HCF, LCM, time, then
How many questions were there in
uh,
numerical?
numerical also. I don't exactly remember the number of questions. About 20 to 25.
20 to 25 questions.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like trains, time, and ratio and proportion, profit and loss, all these.
Average. Have you got any questions from average?
Yeah, average also. So,
Uh, what about probability and permutation?
yeah, probability, permutation, combinations, all these questions were there. And since Himanshu sir had taught, like had given specific preference to each of the subject individually, each of the topics, it was very easy for us. We had already solved this type of problems before, so we could solve it very easily. That's
Okay.
what I personally felt. Yeah.
So, do you remember any particular, few topics from which you can expect more number of questions like that?
Uh, uh, The trains question, it's like very important. Like one question will definitely be there.
Okay. One question from plane. Yeah.
Trains, like time trains, and then distance also.
Yeah.
Like X and Y they'll give, then we have to find the distance. Then this profit and loss, HCF and LCM also, it's very important. Then average, there we can obviously expect one question from that average. Then ratio and proportions also. So additionally, there were a few other topics as well. So apart from that, we had logical reasoning. So in that, blood relation, pattern recognition, logical was fairly simple compared to both. So it didn't take much time. So because of that, I could give more time on numericals as well.
Okay.
So
You had
that was
flexible timings for each, or you had
uh,
flexible time?
no,
Means
90 minutes were given. We should equally distribute time for each of the section, and then we have to do. Like we can browse in between any of the questions if we have any doubts like that.
suppose if you have finished logical quickly, then you can invest that time in other things. Is it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
There wasn't like
So you did the same thing.
yeah, particular time wasn't allowed
Okay.
allotted for us.
Okay. So
So
cognitive was comparatively easy.
yeah, cognitive was comparatively easy.
Okay.
Next was coding. Coding was also included in the 90 questions. So coding, the pseudocode part was easier for us. Like it was fairly simple. It was about a C and C++. So basically, they would give the syntax. We have to we have to tell what's the output, predicted output. Then sometimes they'll give a section of code, leave 2-3 lines blank. We have to fill in those blanks. What will be the expected code there, and they'll also give the output. So if we have to produce this output, what will be the code we have to put in there. Next was like normal questions about keywords and other basic stuff. Then the like a little bit difficult part about coding was easy. Like in technical, we had Microsoft Office, cloud computing, cloud security, operating system, and others. So that was a little bit difficult for us because the cloud computing part we hadn't read it. So we have it currently in this semester. So we weren't much prepared. So, but Shashank sir had taught like about that and the basics of cloud computing. So that was very helpful. And also about Microsoft Office, that's also very important. So we had that. In that PowerPoint and Excel, like the basic shortcuts and all those things, that was also very important in that.
Okay. So it was done. When was it done?
So it was about 90 minutes. So they have sectional cutoff for each of these sections. They didn't specify the cutoff, but they told they have sectional cutoff. So after this 90 minutes, they'll announce the result in 5 to 10 minutes. So if we have selected, if we are selected for the next round, they'll inform then and there itself. So one thing to make sure is we have to sit in a completely quiet room without any disturbance. No, like plain background. No person should be roaming behind us. That can lead to elimination since the entire process was proctored. Also, they give you several warnings if they find you're moving your head too much. So, if like I don't know the particular number, but after certain number of warnings, they disqualify you. So we have to be very careful when it comes to the proctoring thing. So we have to be extremely careful and do it. So
So it was on which platform?
it was on Hire Pro, sir. So
What?
entire exam
iPhone.
was on, yeah.
Okay. After that,
After this, we had coding. This is the second part of cognitive and technical. So there were two questions, 45 minutes for both of the question. So for one question will be very simple. Like if you know the basics of C, C++, it is very easy to do that. Second question is also simple, but it's comparatively difficult than the first question. So the question was, which I was given was, first one was the BMI. So they'll give you the 2, 3 BMIs. If we have to make use of if else ladder and print, like if it's between 20 and 40, we have to print low BMI, like that. 2, 3 sets were given. We had to print it. So the next one was occurrence of numbers. So we have to they'll give you a digit. We have to find the number of occurrence of the particular digit in a number within a given range. So that was a little bit difficult compared to the first one, but it was doable. So
Okay.
that was the coding round.
The coding was tougher and compared to the all. Can
Yeah,
I say that?
yeah.
Okay.
Like it was coding was between like in a medium level. Like
Okay.
if they know the basics of C and like have strong hold on C, then it will be easier compared to
Okay.
others.
So what was after this?
So after this, if like they'll send you a mail telling that you have cleared all these things, and after that, the second round was communication assessment. So this we had they sent a mail on 15th, and we had 2 days time, 16th and 17th. Anywhere between 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. we could take the communication assessment, and it also has the same rule. It is proctored, and we have to sit in a very quiet room, like without any disturbance. So its communication assessment is also simple. Like it was for 20 minutes, and they'll give you some like sentences on screen. We have to repeat the same. Also, they'll make us listen certain sentence in various accents, like American, British accents. We have to listen and repeat what they have told. Also, there'll be rearrangement of sentence, like rearranging sentence, and also finding faults. So it was fairly simple, and it was for 20 minutes.
Okay. So it was simple.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
no, no
Sorry.
issues in this. No
No,
issues in
no,
this. It was
no.
done without trouble. Yeah.
Yeah, I actually took a help of one app. It's called Verisint by Pearson. So
No.
that app was very helpful. Like it gave me an idea what about what to expect in communication assessment. Then after this, on 19th, they had the interview. So one day prior to that, they mailed us to book slots for the interview. Then after that, on 19th, they conducted the interview. Interview was mainly HR, managerial, and technical. So
Okay.
what they do is while applying, like in the first stage, while applying, we'll upload our resume. So in the interview, they mainly refer our resume and ask questions about what's in that resume. So we need to be very confident about and very confident and put the correct information in our resume. So I had put mini projects and several projects I have worked on, and also internships. So they mainly ask questions about that, and also 2, 3 managerial questions, and that was it.
How many
So
people were there on the panel?
two people.
Two.
Yeah,
HR and the technical guy.
yeah.
And this was on the same platform?
No, sir. The in Accenture had a different platform for that.
Okay.
Like
Only the
they
first round
sent.
was on that platform.
Yeah, first one was Hire Pro.
Hmm.
For interview, they sent some other link.
Okay.
So it was completely different. So yeah, two interviewers were there, and like basically they asked about all the mini projects, and like what I had put in my resume is that I was very confident about C and Java. So the languages I had put was C and Java, but the project that I did was based in Python. So they asked me, why have you done the project in Python if you are confident in C and Java? So they like you can expect such questions, like they'll ask like very simple questions and also complicated ones, different depending on.
So that was it about your technical
Yeah,
questions?
yeah.
Okay. So HR didn't ask you anything?
No, only these two now. Like only like one or two questions about that.
So
There
after
was
this, what
only
happened?
after this, like about after 1 week, I had like I was sent a mail by Accenture telling that I am selected, and they sent me a letter of intent. So I had to sign and submit the letter of intent within 5 days. So after 5 days, if we don't upload the letter of intent, that it will be considered as rejected. So we have to accept, sign the letter, and upload it.
Within
So
5 days.
yeah, 5 days, within 5 days. So this
Yeah,
was the basic process.
super, super. I once again congratulate you for getting placed, Amrita, and
Thank you.
thank you so much for taking your time and sharing your experience with us.
Thank you so much, sir. It's my pleasure to have shared the experience.
Thank you. And one more last question I would like to ask you is, how did you get to know about our company and how was your experience with us?
So one of my friend actually told me about Quant Masters. So at that time, many of my friends were placed, and I was panicking very hard. I wasn't even clearing this first round in many companies. So I was panicked. I was like thinking no company is going to select. Then I heard about Quant Masters, so I thought I'll join and see. And then when sir told that classes at 6 a.m., I was a little bit sad because I had to wake up that early. But even at 6 a.m., the amount of energy Himanshu sir has, with the spirit that he teaches, I was very excited and very surprised. So then I started practicing, and I they made me realize the weakness and my strength and weakness, and I focused on what are my weaknesses. And also Quant Masters is what made me confident to attend interviews. So I was very scared in the beginning. So there was a mock interview. So after attending that, I was a bit confident. And also I recommended Quant Masters for many of my friends. So even they have been placed. So if anybody is looking if is doubting whether to join or not join, you must definitely take up Quant Masters. I
Thank you.
100% recommend it.
Thank you, Amrita. Thank you so much for your kind words. And it was really great talking to you. And thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.
So that's it for this video, guys. We'll meet again with another video. Till then, stay home, stay safe.